to Sai Kids Ravita Kids digital learning classes. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying the guitar classes. So today is the second day. Hope you remember the previous classes lessons. Let us make a recap. Last classes we learned detail about the guitars, its parts and about the strings. So today we will learn more about the strings and notes. So to keep you updated again, this is the guitar strings. So there are 6 strings in a guitar. So you can count from the lower to higher, or we can say down to up. So this is number 1 string, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6 string. So name of the strings I already told you. Again I am telling, just keep remember it and by heart the string name, very urgent, important. The first string name is E, second B, third G, fourth D, fifth A and sixth E. Anybody want to remember or remind the string name from up to down? It's okay, fine. So from 6 to 1 you can count. So the upper one is E, A, D, G, B and E. So friends, in guitar basically we know how to write the notes. It is from A to G. So it is very simple. If you count alphabetically A to G, it is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So there are 7 notes in the guitar. So here I have written the 7 notes. So these are the notes. You can count, there are 7 notes. Starts with A to G. Okay. Now in this note, or we can say tone. So A to B is a tone, B to C is a tone, C to D is one tone, D to E is one tone, E to F is one tone, F to G is one tone. So the gap is one tone gap. So in this tone gap there is another half note, or the note is called sharp note, which is a semitone. Okay. So now I will show you the semitones, how we are writing. So as I told you, this is the sharp note. So the symbol is looking like hashtag. So in between A to B there is a semitone which is called as A sharp. Then A sharp. B to C you will not find any sharp notes. So there is directly B to you can go to C. So from C again to D is C sharp. D to E is D sharp. E to F again like B to C. Again E to F is very similar. There is no sharp in E to F. So that is E to F is directly, there is no sharp note. Then F to F sharp, F sharp to G, G sharp, then G sharp, it will come to again A. So you have to count in this way, that this is the cycle of all the notes. So total how many notes we are counting now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 notes in a guitar. Okay, so keep remember and keep writing these notes. You can pause this video and write it so that from next time onwards you can see and you can recognize the notes properly. Okay, now if I'll ask, in this picture if you see, what is the note coming after D? So you can say the note is D sharp. Okay, it is very simple. If I'll say for example G note, after G note, what is the next note? So it is very simple, you can see G sharp. After B, which note? It is very simple, it is C. As there is no sharp, it is directly, you can say after B it is C. So if I will ask after G sharp, which note is there? So you can directly come to, after G sharp it is A. So from G sharp you directly come to A. So you can count this way, count. Okay, so now let us see how it looks like in guitar. Come to the guitar now. So I already told that this is the string, open string 1, open string 2, open string 3, 4, 5 and so on. So if I play this note is called as, what is this? This is E. Okay, see, I'm playing now E. Okay, so if you see, again I will repeat it today. In this fretboard, this is the fretboard. So there are the gaps between the all fretboards is with a bridge. So this is a bridge. You can see there is equal distance of bridge everywhere in the fretboard. Can you see it? Great. So now this fret is divided by one bridge. So now this is the first fret. Okay, this space is the first fret. This is the second fret. This is third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret, sixth fret, seventh fret, so on. Okay, so this is divided by the bridge. All fret has been divided by a bridge. So then how to play the frets? So for example, this is the first fret of first string. So you can see first fret of first string. So you have to press here. See, there is a very long space here, but you should not press the finger here or here or here. You have to press just behind the bar, just behind the bridge, just behind the bridge you have to press it. So little harder you can press it and you play the open E string. When now you play this string, this is you are playing the first fret of first string. So this is the exact next note of E. As I told you, the next note of E will be, as per the picture, it is F, because F is not having any, sorry, E to F there is no sharp notes. So directly, if it is, this is the string of E, then this is F, first fret. So after F you can see which string note. Similarly I have to press the second fret and with second finger, similarly just behind the bar. So this is the next note of F sharp. It will be the, sorry, next note of F. It will be the F sharp. Then next finger, similarly same position, just behind the bar. You can play F sharp. After F sharp it is G. Then G to G sharp. A sharp, B. So there is no sharp here. So direct beat, this is C. C sharp, D, and so on. So now you can find out similarly the way I did for the first fret. You can calculate all the notes from second string also, in the third string, fourth string, fifth string, sixth string. For example, let us start from the second string. The second string name is B, open is B. So after B, the next note is C. So exactly the first is C. Then after C, it's C sharp, D. Got it? Similarly, you can calculate the notes of all the strings.